So I think we had that bet too, like if I hit 100% return, you were gonna have to get a ProjectRE tattoo.
Yeah, then my first tramp stamp, I guess. So we just went over setting the list price for this property. It is time to sell it, and we went through the comparables. We also analyzed the market as to what are the different things we need to look at when we are setting a list price on the property, especially on a flip. So Jimmy, what are some things, just to highlight real quick, that you look at in the market that's going on?
Yeah, so we want to always look at what is sold recently, what the market conditions were, cost of money, different types of factors in there. It could even be time of year, like for spring. And then we want to make our adjustments accordingly, not just based on the sold comps, but what's going on with the market, active inventory, pending inventory, cost of money, and then blend it all into one magic formula of how we came up with our list price.